Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to walk you through one of the most useful beginner techniques in Power BI, how to replace measures in a report visualization. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to quickly switch what a chart displays, for example, flipping from showing sales numbers to showing costs, without having to rebuild your visual from scratch. That's a super handy trick for anyone working with dynamic reports, so let's dive right in and get started. Let's kick things off by creating a simple data table. For this example, I'm using a table called Sales Data, and it has just 3 columns: product, sales, and cost. Imagine you're tracking electronics, maybe something like laptops, phones, and tablets. Each row in the table lists a product and its corresponding sales and cost figures. It really helps to start with data that's neat and organized. This way, it's much easier to build out your reports and visuals later on. With our sales data table in place, it's time to create a couple of basic measures. Head over to the Modeling tab and hit New Measure. The first measure is going to be total sales. In the formula bar, go ahead and enter. Total sales equals sum of sales data sales. What this means is that Power BI will add up all the values in the sales column, giving you a single number, your total sales. This is important because measures work as dynamic calculations. No matter how your data changes or how you want to slice it, they automatically recalculate. Next, let's do the same thing for costs. Create another measure, this time called total cost, and enter. Total cost equals sum of sales data cost. Now you have 2 flexible, reusable calculations for your report. Now let's put those measures to work. Go ahead and insert a clustered column chart onto your report canvas. This is the perfect starting point for beginner visuals because it's super clear and easy to interpret. For the x-axis, drag in your product field. Now for values, the important part, drag in the total sales measure you just created. Almost instantly, you'll see each product lined up along the horizontal axis, with vertical bars representing their corresponding sales numbers. This is an easy way to get a quick visual snapshot of how laptops, phones, and tablets are performing in terms of sales. But what if, instead of sales, you want to see costs, maybe to check your margins or compare profitability? Here where the power of measures really shines. In your clustered column chart, find where you added total sales under the values area. Click the little X to remove that measure. Now simply drag in your total cost measure in its place. And just like that, the chart instantly updates. You're now looking at cost instead of sales without having to rebuild anything or redesign your chart at all. This may seem like a small thing, but it actually demonstrates one of Power BI's most powerful features. Measures are completely decoupled from visuals. That means you can swap them in and out on the fly, and your charts just update, no fuss, no errors, nothing breaks. It's like changing the lens on a camera to see your data from a whole new perspective. And that's it, you've just learned how to easily replace measures in a Power BI report. Practice this with your own data, and you'll quickly see how flexible your dashboards can become. If you found this tutorial helpful, please go ahead and hit that like button, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want to see more tips like this. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more Power BI tutorials every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.